How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper, and my goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether price is going up or down. So over on the 15 minute, we could possibly have a bit of an ugly head and shoulders that could play out, where we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder forming here, and our stochastic is falling. Our RSI has a bearish cross. Now our RSI is descending and not keeping an uptrend. Even though price action is trying to make an uptrend, this RSI seems to be weakening, and that's important because it'll lead into the higher time frames. If this does break, this is our neckline, and you measure from the head to the neckline, and that gives you your breakout point. I put us at the bottom of the flag that we've been trading in. If we take a little bit of a zoom out onto the 4 hour, we do have this area where we keep knocking against at this 16.9 area, and RSI is inching upwards, so we have somewhat of a flat price action and somewhat of an uptrend in price, which could be a hidden bearish divergence that we could see play out. Our stochastic is starting to weaken as well as we're getting lower highs, and we have a pretty aggressive point downwards on this 4 hour. However, we could try and make a cross if this does reject crossing here. We do have a really tall wick here, so that's a really long upper shadow candle, which is a bearish candle. However, we've had those the last 3 days in a row, and we haven't seen much bearish action. Speaking of the daily, if you've noticed, we've cleaned up the chart a little bit, and we have a little bit cleaner, more textbook version of a symmetrical triangle based on all these touches that we had from the last few days, instead of treating them as more of a breakout of the triangle that we had that had more of an upwards lean on it. So zooming back in, you can see on this high volume profile, we did try and spike past this, as the bulls really don't have much resistance going past this 16.8 level. However, the bears are trying to step in and suppress price at this level. Our stochastic says we have a lot of strength to the bulls right now. However, our RSI is currently crossing this neutral zone, giving the bears control. However, that's based on tomorrow's candle. Based on yesterday's candle, we just crossed over this zone, and we could wait for a confirmation of tomorrow's candle to confirm being above the neutral zone that we've been fighting to get above for quite a few days now. If we're not able to hold above this zone and keep a candle above the 16.8 level for a couple days, then we may not hold this, and we may see the symmetrical triangle actually finally break, because if we do treat these as part of the triangle now, we have quite a few touches on that support level, which makes it weaker for every touch. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a wonderful night.